Hello everyone, welcome back to Honey's Galaxy. Today we are going to make chocolate ganache, which requires only 3 ingredients and very easy to make. Let's start chopping the dark chocolate. I am using Moday's dark chocolate here. You can use any brand you like. For making pouring ganache, you need dark chocolate and fresh cream in equal proportions. Here I've taken 1 cup of both dark chocolate and fresh cream. I'm using Amul fresh cream here. And now we have to mix both the ingredients properly. And now put the bowl into the microwave for 1 minute. And now after 1 minute, look, the consistency of the mixture have changed. Let's mix it well. And now is the time. Now let's put in 1 tablespoon of butter. As the mixture is hot, the butter will melt easily. And your super easy chocolate ganache is ready to pour it on any cake. Have a look at the shiny texture and the smooth consistency of the mixture. And always apply the sugar syrup before pouring it on the cake. And after covering the cake with the ganache, I have topped it up with the whipped cream. Thanks for watching and hope you like the video.